What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Tonor TD310 USB dynamic microphone with RGB lighting. So a big shout out to Tonor for sending this over. Now you can pick this up in black and white colors. Price is $36.99. And I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. So some of the features and details. This is plug and play. This will work with your PS4 and 5. Your switch. You're going to be able to connect this with the USB port to your Windows, Mac. Like I said, PS4 and PS5. Also will work with Android phones, compatible with iPhone using your own lightning adapter as well. Superior sound quality, less noise, more natural and pure vocals. The suggested range for using this is 2 to 4 inches or 5 to 10 centimeters. Now this is a cardioid pickup microphone, so you're going to have to be in that area right there. Wide frequency response. This features vibrant RGB lights, create a dazzling and immersive gaming atmosphere. So you got breathing, gradient, flow, and cycling. You got your light control button right there. So this features easy mic controls, one tap, mute, easy adjust lights and volume. Right there, you guys see you long press the switch to change to the light modes, one tap to mute and unmute. And then you got your volume there or gain control there. So zero latency monitoring. Make sure your voice sounds great. Has 3.5 millimeter headphone jack as well. So those are a few of the features and details. Let's get into the packaging. So here it is. 2 years warranty on this Tonor USB microphone kit. You got their different websites and how to contact them. You guys see this is the black one. So swapping around to this side, you got some other stuff here. Good holding, clear sound, easy setup. And then on the back of it, you're going to have some of your specs here that you microphone people may be aware of. I'm not so sure on all of this. You got your sample rate, 96 kilohertz, bit rate, sensitivity, output impedance, frequency response, that stuff there. I'm not a audiophile or microphone guy, but the first thing you get in the box, you get your brochure here. It's going to tell you how to set up the stand, how to connect it to your laptop, different things like that. Always good to know, to look over a little bit there. Then you're going to have your cable here, type C to type C, but you also have an adapter on here for USB-A. So that's a good look. This is 6.5 feet long as well. You got your mic holder. You're also going to get your mic stand, the top part of it. You get your filter here, pop filter. And then you get your microphone. And the mic is very nice. So let's put that over to the side. And then the last thing we get in here is going to be your base for your microphone. So let's get the box out of the way and take a look at the base. So here's the base. Very heavy weight, so it's going to be weighted down in place. Got this non-slip bottom to it right here. You got your top part of your stand. Let's go ahead and assemble this while we're here. This simply just screws into the base just like this. Simple as that, guys. And then you take your mic holder, screw it to the top. So no issues with assembling this. Very easy. And there it is right there. Now this will adjust in height. Bring your mic up or down, which is great. You got your pop filter, and here's the mic. So this is a pretty hefty feeling. It has a substantial weight to it. Got this nice grill gold on the top right here. Looks nice. You got your mic mute and unmute. You got your button here for your LED lights, and that's going to be in this area here. Volume up and down, gain. Some regulatory stuff on the back. And then the bottom, you got your type C. 3.5 right there for monitoring. Put your pop filter on if you want to cover up that nice color there. I kind of like that gold color. So you can use it with or without, your choice. Just slide the mic in just like this. And this is going to look great on your desk, guys. Very professional looking. Let's see if it has some great sound. So I'm going to hook this up and try it out, guys. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera on my Google Pixel tablet. These are the onboard microphones. I wanted you guys to get an idea of what the microphones sound like before I plug in the Tonor 310 microphone. So let's go ahead and plug that in and compare the differences. Okay, guys, so we have the Tonor 310 microphone plugged in. This is what it's going to sound like. I'm about 2 inches away from the microphone. I am monitoring myself with these headphones here. I do have it plugged in with a USB-A going into my dongle, going into my tablet. I did try this little adapter here. I couldn't get it to work with this tablet. Now, I didn't try with another device, but it wouldn't work with this Google Pixel tablet. So do have the pop filter on. I'm plugged in with my monitoring it with my headphones here through the 3.5. And I can raise and lower the volume here. So let's lower it down. So this is low as it gets, bring it back up. And yeah, sounds good in the headphones here. As you guys see, the RGB lighting is going right there. Now I can mute the conversation right here when I press this one time instead of it being in that pattern. It's going to turn. So when it's muted, it'll turn red. That way you'll know that if you're not monitoring yourself with a pair of headphones, then you'll know. Now to change the RGB light pattern, you just hold down on this switch for a few seconds. It'll turn it off like that, turn it back on. I'll cycle through another color here. As you guys see, it is changing the colors there, going through different patterns right there. So my lighting is not letting it be seen as well as it looks in person here. So I'm going to set the mic on the desk here and let you guys see how it sounds about a foot away. So this is not recommended. It recommends that you be 2 to 4 inches. I'm about 12 inches away. But as you get closer, you know, this is what I recommend it. So you got it on your desk, tapping around on your desk. This is what it'll sound like. But yeah, so you can always adjust this in post or whatever. This will be good for, you know, your gaming, podcasts and things like that. So let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, this is my look at the Tonor TD310 cardioid microphone USB. Very nice little microphone here for a good price. If you're someone that's doing podcasts, live streaming, whatever you may need a microphone for, this is going to be pretty good here. Comes with everything you need in the kit. You get your stand, you get your mic holder, you get your pop filter, you get your 6-foot cable here, and you also get a USB-A to USB-C adapter as well. The microphone has some great features. You can monitor your output. You can adjust your RGB lighting, which is another great feature. You got Type-C and 3.5 as well. And the mic looks good. So I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. Will H, I'm out.